So this is what I didn't want to show you before, but now I just want to show. I'm just starting, and I just got home. So, like, it'll be a lot to help me with my channel if you just like and subscribe. Or it doesn't cost really any money, but never mind about that. Literally, I just have been hesitant at uploading another one so far, but I am just gonna do it. So, I I'm literally a camera. I'm just a YouTuber and a gamer, basically. So, I'm just gonna be lifting up my GoPro. I'm gonna do something. Are you gonna give me a second? So I want to see what's your. I want to see your opinion. Okay. Hey guys. So I'm sorry about that little bit of a bad camera view. So that's with my GoPro mount. That's with my GoPro mount. Okay, this is when I raise up the camera with the GoPro mount. Before it was just a normal GoPro mount. Okay, in the comments below, let me know. How do you like this? You like this a lot better? Or this is on my floor, so that's as high as I could get. So do you like your down view? Or also there's one other one. This is me raising up the camera. This is just with raised up camera with the GoPro mount. Are you alright? Whoa! I'm sorry, I'm new to this. Too far close. That's too close. So, let me know which one of those four are better for you. Okay? So, but I have to go. So see ya later. And this is Blanimal.